Iman Gaji doesn't promote it now.
We're heading to London again on the 13th.
So when you started this thing, let me ask you this. How much money is the most money you've made just to motivate these guys?
20,000 I made. I really know 20,000 pounds.
20,000 pounds in 1 month.
In 1 month.
Hey, Miss Walker.
What's up, people? Producer UJ here with another video. Today I am in my city, which is London, and it's currently my time, as usual. A little day in the life. Schedule for today. Oh, how are you? Are you in town? Okay, so someone's just asked me if I'm in town. Probably gonna meet with him. So probably gonna link with Toxie. And if you don't know Toxie, Toxie is a famous TikToker who gains thousands and hundreds of thousands of views every single day. So I guess that's the day. I guess the schedule of the day is changing. So, but first, right now, let's head over to Suit Supply, get a few suits, and we'll be off. Listen, for a long time I've been thinking that I need to reinvent myself. I'm tired of the drip, because once I buy the Louis Vuitton, once I buy the design, I'm gonna be in competition with these new guys. So obviously today, I'm gonna be going to Suit Supply, find some old money type of outfit. And then obviously right now, I actually gotta speak with James and Jack. Those are, if you guys know Iman Gaji, those are Iman Gaji's two right-hand men. Yeah, this I like. This is what I need. I need them on cat's eye.
1,400.
Not bad.
Yeah, sleek.
Exactly.
You can wear it with some loud pianos. Easy.
Oh, everyone's taking it.
Yeah, let me check for you.
Thank you. I'm trying to be a shades guy now. I want you guys to comment how much you think this is. I'm gonna give you guys 10 seconds. Think nicely. How much do you think this is? Think very nicely. Okay, your time is up. 210 pounds. So if you commented correctly, congratulations. This is a bigger one. Look at this. Zoom on that. 1,400 pounds for a toy. It doesn't do nothing, doesn't talk to you, doesn't say anything. It's just a toy. So right now with my bro Toxie. How you doing, my brother?
I'm good. How are you, bro?
Good to see you, bro.
Always,
Long
bro.
time no see.
Long time, bro.
So what are you doing out in London today?
Bro, today I'm shooting for Rich Kids London. I started working for Rich Kids London.
Wow.
I'm content creator.
And Rich Kids London is a massive page.
Yeah, it's
really
very big.
So how did that connection come about?
Bro, just through my TikTok, you know?
And the fact that you're on that page, that's a big deal. You must be getting paid a lot.
Bro, it's private. It's too personal.
Let me ask you this. How much money is the most money you've made in 1 month? Just to give these guys a bit of motivation.
To be honest, I made more money with TikTok.
Okay.
When crypto was
when crypto was booming.
Yeah. I made bro, I'm not rich, you know, but I'm trying my best.
Look at you, wait. Christian Dior, and another Christian Dior in the feed. This guy is dripping.
I'm trying, bro. I'm trying.
But how much would you say just to motivate these guys?
20,000 I made. I really know 20,000 pounds.
20,000 pounds in 1 month.
In 1 month. Yeah, it's hard. It's mental problems, anxiety, but you have to deal with this because it's a life. It's a we burn once.
That's very true.
So,
very true.
So no one will give us time back.
Yeah, that's very true. And that's so inspiring. I mean, you know, coming from where you come from, you didn't come from a rich family, right?
Bro, 2 years ago, I was living on Seven Sisters in house. Yeah, you know.
Wow.
Now I have my own apartment.
Amen.
In 1 year, so.
I know there's a time, your TikTok page was a time where it was blowing up, you know, had celebrities, footballers, rappers, artists, even drug dealers, you know. So, and obviously there was a time where, you know, your TikTok got taken down at the height of it all. How was that for you? Did it affect you? How was that?
Yeah, of course. I was recording content. It went well, but unfortunately, I was not putting my face. It was just my voice.
Yeah.
When I got banned, no one was remember my voice. So now, then you're dealing to start again. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So don't make this mistake, guys, and always show your face because otherwise your voice, no one will remember your voice.
I
Never,
get it.
Never.
Wow, that is crazy. So people remember the face.
Never. Of course, you have to be brand. Yeah, like you're showing you're a cool guy.
Exactly.
You're
Appreciate you.
Handsome guy.
Thank
you're
you.
promoting yourself with your
course.
outfit.
Of course.
With your energy, with
Yeah.
your like way you talking.
Exactly.
So just a voice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
I get you. How has it been for you, connecting with these different celebrities? I can imagine it's like all brand new to you and so amazing. Like you said, from living in not such the best, area to living in the center of London in your own place. Now you're meeting celebrities. How was that? Because I also know you meet some other bad celebrities as well.
Bro, it just gives you more motivation.
I get you. So would you tell someone to get into the same industry like you did? TikTok, should someone get into TikTok like you?
Of course, for sure, because nowadays we have phone, we have internet.
Yeah.
Without working for someone, you can work for yourself.
Yeah.
You can, as I said, you can be better yourself.
Yeah.
And you can record some content wherever you think it will go viral. And
Yeah.
trust me, it's like your everyday job. Everyday
Wow. Toxie here is telling us that, you can literally turn TikTok into your everyday job. And imagine, of course, he was not saying it happens every single month, but imagine 1 month he made £20,000. People are working a whole year
And
to get that.
yeah, and I'm sure you guys born here. When I
Yeah.
came here, I didn't know any words on English. I did know only 2 words.
And that was 2 years ago?
2 years ago, I was struggling to speak English, and I with just 2 words, like with my question, yeah, it went viral, and then you're working for yourself, and you're getting better, and
Yeah.
you guys live here. You guys have a lot of time.
Yeah.
A lot of time. You can work for yourself, and
That is amazing.
trust me, you will never know where you will be in 1 year.
Wow. My brother here came from Georgia, was it?
Georgia.
Georgia 2 years ago to the United Kingdom, didn't know any English, and just went onto the streets with one famous question, and that was, what is your favorite crypto coin? And to imagine that I'm sitting with that same man today, and he's in full Dior.
Yeah.
From top to
But I'm here. I want to reach here.
yeah. So you
gonna
still
do
got a long way to go.
Yeah, of course, for sure.
You guys can do this too. You can do this too. It's possible. Just put hard work, dedication. Just as my brother Toxie said, you can do it too. You still have time. No, thank you so much, my brother.
I'm taking advice from you as well.
Thank you so much,
and
brother.
Really,
God
you're
bless
my
you.
family.
Thank you so much, brother. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you, guys.